People who are battling cancer or who have beaten cancer are at a higher risk of getting very sick with COVID-19.
Which is why Dana-Farber Cancer Institute is launching a new campaign encouraging patients and survivors to get the vaccine. WBZ's Bill Shields has our story.
You live through the unknown with cancer, and now we're living through the unknown with the pandemic.
Gabby Spear battled breast cancer several years ago and is now doing well. And those days at Dana-Farber were not terrible. She looks at the facility like a second home. But COVID has created a new fear for Gabby and many other cancer patients and survivors.
It also makes me nervous about what it could do. You know, am I more susceptible? Am I the same as, I think it just puts additional fears that may or may not be there for folks who have not gone through a cancer journey or a cancer diagnosis.
Even individuals who have survived cancer are at a slightly increased higher risk.
The CEO of Dana-Farber says they have thousands of patients at any given time, but the number of patients who've completed treatment is almost immeasurable. And while they may soon start vaccinating patients against COVID, they're advising all patients, past and present, to be especially careful with this virus.
A chemotherapy or radiation therapy does weaken your immune system a little bit. So there is a higher incidence of COVID-19 infections in cancer patients.
This Wednesday at 5 o'clock, Dana-Farber will hold a kind of virtual town hall for all of its patients, past and present. And they emphasize that anyone who has had cancer is invited to join in. I'm Bill Shields, WBZ News.